What I like is the results. I can do stuff now that I wasn't doing 5 years ago, and that's just in 3 months. I saw an ad on the internet, I think it was on the Weather Channel, saying that you could decompress my knee. So I decided to check it out since I'd already had surgery on my right knee, and that's a year and a half ago and it's still healing. My right knee was sort of stagnated, but with my left knee, which is what I came in here for, that's going good. Since the first day when they did the decompression, I thought that would be temporary, but it was to the next appointment. It was a big change from bone on bone, and it takes a little bit to get used to, but it really does help. Before, if I went to the store and I was shopping for a couple hours, I had to go home because I was in pain. Now I can go shopping for 2, 3, or 4 hours. I can come home and work on stuff around the house, in the yard, whatever. I've got better endurance, better balance, better flexibility, and still working on strengthening the muscles in my legs so that they work right. Better alignment. Not walking side to side, but walking the way we evolved. Come in, get evaluated. If you guys can't help them, you'll tell them up front because you don't want to fool with them. And get evaluated and see what they can do for you. You have to do the work. They can't do it for you, but I've had great experience here, and it's overall great improvement.